On December 14, 1971, during the Indo-Pakistani War, Flight Lieutenant Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon of the Indian Air Force valiantly defended Srinagar Air Base against an attack by two enemy Sabri jets, inflicting serious damage. Despite facing overwhelming odds, he displayed extraordinary courage and sacrificed his life in the line of duty. For his bravery, he was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor, becoming the first and only Indian air officer to receive this honor. Born on December 14, 1918 in Karnataka, BKS Iyengar overcame severe childhood illness through yoga, transforming his life and revolutionizing the practice. Renowned as the father of modern yoga, he developed the globally acclaimed Iyengar Yoga, emphasizing precision in asanas and pranayam. His efforts popularized yoga worldwide, earning him prestigious honors such as the Padma Bhushan in 2002, Padma Vibhushan in 2014. In 2004, Time magazine listed him among the 100 most influential people globally. BKS Iyengar's legacy continues to inspire as he gave yoga a modern identity both in India and internationally. He passed away on August 20, 2014 in Pune. Sanjay Gandhi, born on December 14, 1946 in Delhi, was the second son of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and her political hire. Known for his influential and flamboyant leadership, he played a significant role during the emergency from 1975 to 1977, shaping key and often controversial decisions. Sanjay championed initiatives like family planning and urban development, though some faced criticism. His life was tragically cut short on June 23, 1980, in a plane crash at Delhi's Safdarjung Airport at just 33. His legacy continues through his wife Megha Gandhi and son Varun Gandhi, who established themselves in politics via the BJP. Raj Kapoor, born on December 14, 1924 in undivided India, was a legendary Bollywood actor, writer, director and producer, often hailed as the showman of Hindi cinema. Beginning his film career at just 10, he became one of the most influential figures in Indian cinema. The eldest of the three brothers, his siblings Shami and Shashi Kapoor, were also celebrated actors. His full name, Ranbir Raj Kapoor, inspired the name of his grandson, actor Ranbir Kapoor. Raj Kapoor directed and produced iconic films like Awara, Shri 420, Mera Naam Joker, Bobby and Satyam Shivam Sundaram, bringing global recognition to Hindi cinema. National Energy Conservation Day, observed in India on December 14, highlights the importance of energy conservation and promotes its efficient use. Initiated by the Government of India, the day aims to spread awareness about reducing energy consumption to mitigate environmental impacts and encourage sustainable development. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency, under the Ministry of Power, organizes various programs to mark the occasion. Energy conservation is crucial not only for protecting the environment but also for reducing energy costs and addressing the energy crisis, supporting both economic and ecological sustainability. On December 14, 1911, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen made history as the first person to reach the South Pole. Initially aiming for the North Pole, he redirected his expedition upon learning it had already been discovered. Amundsen's journey included a 19-member team and 52 Greenland sled dogs, though only 16 dogs endured the harsh conditions to reach Antarctica. The expedition began on October 19, 1911 and culminated in their arrival at the South Pole nearly 2 months later. This remarkable achievement cemented Amundsen's legacy as one of history's greatest explorers.